here's how to draw a warrior cat in my style. So here we go. First thing to draw is draw a circle. Next, draw a cross that goes through it. Next, make this circle kind of like ovally, but not really ovally. Kind of more like shaped, like a head, like an animal head. Like that, kind of like a cat. Think of a cat when you're drawing this, because you're drawing a cat. Okay, so next. There we go. Okay, so the next thing that I like to do is draw the muzzle, where the muzzle's gonna go. Okay, I draw the face last for very obvious reasons. I'll just show you a few reasons why. This reason, this reason, this reason, whatever that was, and this reason, this reason, this reason. Yeah, there are a lot of things in this book that are just messed up. And I drew this one, that full body thing you just saw. I drew that a long time ago, so my art is not that bad anymore, so don't worry about that. Okay, okay, so there we go. That's our main piece. Gotta draw everything slightly light, and if you don't draw it light enough, then you can just kind of erase it just a little bit, but not too much. First, I like to draw the cheek fluff, just the fluff on the cheeks. Goes first for me, because that's my favorite part to draw. Just all the fluff all over the cheeks. It's so fun to draw. Because you can technically draw it in any way you want to. Whatever your style is. Anyways. Okay, next. Let's draw the first part of the ear. So 1, 2, 3. And then let me just go up like that and then go down. Let me just do a little tiny thing right there. And when I go down, most of the time I'll do a couple little fur tufts because I love to draw everything fluffy. Like, even the neck is just so fluffy whenever I draw it. So I'm about to draw the neck. So the neck is also very fluffy. Okay, next I'm gonna draw that. Next I'm gonna draw some bangs. Next I'm gonna make another ear. Okay, that was like in the wrong spot. Okay, next I'm just gonna make another ear. There we go. So now let me erase this line, because that was technically a guideline for doing the outside of the face. So now that the outside of the face is done, this is what we're left with. An empty space to put a fit. Okay, that I didn't even mean for that to rhyme. That should be like my motto. Also, I don't like how this fur tuft is, so I'm gonna change it. There. That's still not very good. But I still don't like it enough. Because I like it this drawing. It's not bad. So first thing I'm gonna do is put a little line. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. Okay, so next I'm just drawing a mouth. If you want to put a tooth, you can. But I don't really like them. I'm gonna sneeze again. I thought I was going to anyways. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do that. Okay, those are not equally sized. Okay, so there we go. And next, after I draw this little sketch of what I do, I'll go into digital art and make it look like 500 million times better. Next, I'm gonna make little dots where the muzzle is. And then I'm gonna make some eyes. Ew, they're beautiful. So next I'm just gonna draw some blush. And there she is. She's beautiful looking. If you don't like the eyes, you can change them. Because I know some people like to draw like big, adorable looking eyes. And this is just kind of more like a realistic style of it. If you want to see, like, sometimes I draw eyes and they look like this. Or they look like this. Oh, it's just kind of similar to what I did there, but like bigger. And sometimes they even look like that. But yeah. You don't have to give credits for this kind of style. I do give credits though to Pentel for sort of like giving me a little bit of idea of the ears, because I just was lost on ears, okay? But bye guys. I hope you have a nice weekend. I'm not sure how many people are gonna watch this. But I hope a lot of views get in, and like if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to. So bye, because I kind of need help with subscribers. I only have like 33, so I'm not like begging for more, but I would appreciate it though. Bye.